Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to repair Windows 11 using the automatic repair feature and how to re-enable it if it's been turned off. This tool is a built-in recovery option that can automatically fix startup problems or other system issues that prevent Windows from loading properly. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Command Prompt in the search bar. When it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will open an elevated command prompt window, which allows you to make system-level changes. Next, type the command bcd edit and press Enter. This command will display the boot configuration data for your system. Look for the section labeled Windows Bootloader. Under it, find two key values, Identifier and Recovery Enabled. If Identifier is set to Current and Recovery Enabled is set to No, that means automatic repair is currently disabled on your computer. To turn it back on, type this command and press Enter. bcd edit/set current recovery enabled yes. What this command does is simple. It re-enables the automatic repair feature for your current Windows installation. Once that's done, you can close the command prompt window. The next time your computer encounters a problem starting up, Windows 11 will automatically begin diagnosing the issue and attempt to fix it using the automatic repair tool. And that's it. You've successfully re-enabled and configured automatic repair on your Windows 11 system. This simple fix can save you a lot of time if your PC ever fails to boot correctly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.